Ah! Ah! Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be trying to prank my hubby. Like, I've been planning this prank for the longest time, like for the freaking longest time. He's in the sitting room and I'm just going to pretend like the baby's coming or something like that. I don't know how he's going to react, and let's just watch. And he doesn't even know anything about signs of labor. I don't know. Let's just see how this goes. Meanwhile, if you're not subscribed to this channel, just subscribe and let's just get right into it. Get in the mood of drama. I'll be acting. Okay. Babe! Babe, my stomach! Ah! For my stomach! Ah! Ah! He's a prank. Jesus.
What the fuck?
You guys, I got him.
What the fuck?
Sorry. Oh my God.
They're pranking me.
Jesus.
Pranking.
Jesus Christ. Yeah. I got him.
Don't worry, what you said. Yeah,
Babe.
No.
No.
We are really serious. Man, have to go on.
Ba.
When you be serious, man have to go on.
How do you feel? Tell them how you feel.
Feel about
Are you
what?
scared?
No, I ain't scared.
You were scared. She just ran. Can you let me wear my clothes? You guys should like this video.
I said you got that video. You need to go that.